Hello, so how are you today? Guys, tell me that what you think if I will say a good communicator or a person with who can communicate very in a very efficient way. Maybe you have a different POV for a communicator, but if you ask this to me, then I will probably say that a good communicator can express his thought. A good communicator makes people to listen him. A good communicator will make sure that every person is getting what he or she want to express. Like he or she can be a good leader. He or she can be a group leader. He or she can make people to think about the topic which he is which he is expressing. Like if I'm right now I am telling you a topic, then maybe probably you are hearing or not, but in front of a good communicator, a person who communicates very well, the most chances are you will hear him or her. Like you will say, let's see what he or she speaks, because he has the confidence, he has the way to speak out, like the speak out the topic, speak out the thing he want to express in front of you. And a good communicator don't need a good English. Like uh, it's not that if you are not good at English, you can't be a good communicator. A communicator is someone who can express his thought in any language, whether it's Hindi or whether it's in its own language or whether it's English. It is not necessary to be professional in English. Just you have to express your thought. Maybe someone who don't know perfect grammar, maybe someone who don't know how perfectly to speak in English, but he if he is a good communicator, he has a lot of opportunities, he has a lot of potential to speak in front of public, to convey his her message to the public. And I am not saying that also the fluency is necessary. And I don't think that fluency is necessary, because at the end you have to express your thought, not just the way you talk. I'm not saying this is not completely required, but still at a point that is not what you need to be a good communicator. You just need to have the way which you can use to make the audience know your topic or know your talks. Like a good communicator will have the way to make sure that every sentence he delivers will reach at your mind and creates an image, or it will make your brain process to think about the think we not think the thing he which he wants to tell you. Now if we talk about why does the communication matters in our career, which is also the topic of this video. Like think of a situation where you have a lot of knowledge, you are a very skilled person, you do possess a lot of knowledge about the company, about the particular thing, about the particular stage. But when it comes to explaining your thoughts to someone or your team worker or as a team leader to your team partners, you lack there. You can't able to express your thought there. So there will be a big problem for you, because you can't communicate good, because your communication skills are very poor. You are unable to understand the other people what you want to say. Then there will be a negative point of view, rather than just having the skills, the knowledge, that the first thing which the other people will see, that is your communication, that is your confidence. So where the communication matters a lot. I'm not saying it's just work, it just help in corporate words, but in other lives, like maybe in your real lives, maybe in any other field, it can be anywhere. If you will take army, there you need a good communication. If you will say any other jobs, there you need a good communication. And whether it's interview, whether it's your group meeting, whether it's any stage performance, whether it's any unscripted interviews, and it can be anything. So Basically, what I want to say that communication is the thing which I think that is most powerful skill which anyone can learn on daily basis. Just speaking in front of camera or with people, like it can be learned from right now, from your bed, from your room. Just don't need anything, just needs a phone and just the enthusiasm for learning that skill. If you will ask me now that what can I improve in myself, then I will probably say don't just, you can try in speaking in front of peoples, because there is a lot of difference between speaking in front of camera in front of people. Like the experience I gained from last 50 days, I noticed one thing that in speaking in front of people and in front of camera is like a very different thing. In front of camera I can speak a lot of times, I can review my thing, I review my video, I can take a lot of takes. But in front of people you have to think, you have to speak the particular thing. You don't get the way to trim your video or edit your video, or you don't just get anything to do with just the thing which you get your life thoughts, the way you speak, the way you try to explain to the people in real conversation. I think that is the main thing which will make you a fast learner. Rather, I'm not saying this in front of speaking in front of camera will not help you, it will help. But if you want to learn communication in a faster way, in a better way, you can try it in front of people rather than just recording yourself. If you don't have the ease to speak with peoples, then you can try this which I'm doing. And I think if you want to start, you can start, because communication skill is, for me, I think one of the best skill which I can acquire. So with the ending of this video, if I will say that what is communication, I will basically answer that communication is something which is very is the basic need of every person, whether it's any student or any professional or any employee or any minister. He or she will need communication for communicating any message, anything, any talks. For any purpose you need communication, and it's the basic need, which the basic skills which a person should learn. And that is what I think. And it's not that you will if you will get the skill when you born. No, it will come by practicing daily and daily. So try hard, practice daily, and that is what I'm doing. But still I am not good, very good, I'm still not good, I'm still at the same level. But maybe somewhere I had improved, I don't know. But I know I will improve definitely. I will become a good communicator, I will speak good English, I will be fluent in English. And yeah, I think that is for today. See you in the next video. Sayonara.